summer, I like to listen for one of my favorite animal sounds. Can you guess what animal it comes from? The animal that makes this noise is smaller than my hand. It's a cicada. Cicadas are a type of insect that live all over the world, and they're famous for the noises that they make when it's hot out. A lot of people only hear the cicadas though. It takes a baby cicada either 13 or 17 years to grow up. And while they're growing, they stay underground where it's safe from predators that might want to eat them. Then, when they're old enough and it gets warm outside, they finally crawl up out of the ground.
Cicada!